What is up, everybody, and welcome back to another Roblox Studio tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a health bar for your game. And of course, as always, if you guys don't want to stick around and watch this video to actually learn how to make this health bar, I will leave it in the description for you to get. But now, without further ado, let's get into this tutorial. Alright, so what I have gone ahead and done for this video is I actually went ahead and I made this pretty actually fancy looking health bar right before recording this, and I'm gonna leave this in the description for you guys to get. Obviously you guys, you can make your own, but this took me a little bit to make, and I just want to make this video a little bit short because it's a really simple system. But this health bar is gonna be in the description for you guys to get. So once you have this health bar, inside the screen GUI, let's make a local script, and we can just call this health display. And I'm gonna get the tween service. So local tween service is gonna be equal to game get service tween service. Then we'll say local player is gonna be equal to game dot players dot local player. Then we'll say local character is equal to player dot character or player.character added wait, and then local humanoid will be equal to character wait for child humanoid. And then I will say local GUI is equal to script.parent. So let's get the health bar now, and then local health bar is equal to GUI.health bar. Local health is equal to health bar dot health, and then local bar is gonna be equal to health bar dot bar. And now what I'll say is I will say humanoid dot health changed connect function, and then we'll get the health. What this function does is it just detects whenever your health gets changed within the humanoid, and it will return what health you're currently at. And then I will say I will tween. So tween service create, and we'll say the bar, comma tween info dot new. I'll make this quick, so 0.2 seconds. I will do enum dot easing style dot sign, then enum dot easing direction dot out, just to make it look nice. Then comma here, and then these little brackets. It will say the size is equal to udum2 dot from scale. Then we will say the health divided by the humanoid dot max health, and then comma 1, and then we will just say play. And then one more line of code is I will say the health dot text will be equal to health, and then dot dot, and I'll add a slash, and then dot dot, and then the humanoid dot max health, or this should be the lowercase health for right here. And that's basically the whole system. It's honestly really easy to make a health bar, but I'm gonna test in this game. I'll go in the workspace, go inside my character, and I will change my health. So right now I'm at 100 health. I'm gonna make this 50, and there we go. Look at that. The health bar has gone down to 50. The health changed. I could set this to 80, and it would go back up with a nice smooth animation. But yeah, that is gonna do it for this tutorial. If you guys made it to the end, I greatly appreciate that. Leave a comment, let me know of any other tutorials that you guys would like to see, and also if you guys could like and subscribe, that'd mean the absolute world to me. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.